has been months.
Yes.
And months.
Yes.
Since we've recorded anything regarding workshop or bikes or anything. So yeah, this is just really an update, what's going on. There's plenty to do here, as you will soon see. We hope to try and capture as much of it as possible. So without further ado, let's get going. Right, what we have is a big old mess. We've got a NES 125 step through. We will be working a lot on that in the coming weeks, hopefully, but maybe not yet. In the background there, can you point that direction for me? Yeah, right in behind we have the CBF, which we were I started on. I'll be honest, the head is done, the barrel's done, everything on that bike is running. No rear wheel, however. Right, this way we have a slowly starting to get done Kawasaki, that's the one, Kawasaki KH125. It's a mid-80s, just before the mid, as far as I can tell. Anyway, I think it was a little bit of a Bitzer, but it's going to be a CAF style kind of, well, you'll see as we go along. I have a thing in my mind for it. We have a generic 50cc scooter, yep, that one, which is having issues with randomly burning oil. We have a half-built point to the white derby, yep, that one, which is getting there very slowly. That has been one thing after another. Shiny, dirty too, right? Yeah. But that now does run. We'll do a video on that. And that is pretty much what we have here at the moment. Half-built aluminium battery tray for keeping that as light as is possible. We'll do more on that. Yeah, so I'll do a tour of this. This has changed quite dramatically, and the middle section's now over there. Oh yeah, new workshop. Yes. Oh, try not to get you too seasick. But an oven, very important. I'm sure someone will know something about the vices and big old pillar drill. Not mine, just comes with the place. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.